Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to Terrence Neo Universe, and I have another unboxing to do. This is a Nothing Phone 2. I did open the box already, but just trying to give you guys a feel of what it's like. So it has a tab that you pull all the way around here. Safety information, warranty information, model A065, AIN065. Designed by Nothing. And also inside the box have USB Type-C charger, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. It has a very nice feel to it. Has a clear plastic look that says Nothing on it. And then we got this is cool. This got a pin injector. It's shaped like a clear pill. So that's what we use to get to your SIM. All right. Then we got the phone here, the Nothing Phone 2. Let's take a look at this. All right. Look at that. Very beautiful phone. It's a mid-range phone. Let me see, read some of the specs on this. So this is Nothing Phone 2. This is the white. This is a 12 gigabyte RAM, 256 gigabyte. Okay. All right. Turn it on. And I'm doing this recording on a Nothing Phone 1. Very nice. Solid. Okay, it says hello. Connect to mobile network if you have a SIM card. Okay, so this is just the power on. And I'll be sharing another video about setting it up and a quick review. If you would be kind, if you enjoyed this content, would you please like and subscribe? Have a blessed day.